Welcome to this series of SIAL Paris tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to use your personalized e-code to invite your prospects, customers, and partners to visit SIAL Paris 2026 free of charge. From the homepage of your exhibitor area, click on the Badges, Licenses, Invitations, Voucher tab. You will then access the platform dedicated to managing your badges and invitations. Your participation in SIAL Paris 2026 includes a personalized e-code that allows your guests to obtain a free visitor badge. Please note that each e-code is limited to 40 free registrations. Once this quota has been reached, additional visitors will no longer be eligible for the free admission associated with your code. If you would like to increase your invitation capacity, additional invitation packages are available through the online shop. The platform also allows you to track in real time the number of registrations generated through your e-code, as well as registrations currently in progress. You will also find your personalized link to the visitor registration platform, which you can share directly with your contacts. If you wish, you can enter your email address to receive an invitation template ready to be forwarded to your prospects and customers. To support the promotion of your participation, SIAL Paris also provides a communication kit including customizable banners, visuals, and the official event logos. You can integrate this code into all your communications, emails, newsletters, social media posts, email signatures, and marketing campaigns. We encourage you to start sharing your e-code now to maximize your visibility and effectively prepare for your participation in SIAL Paris 2026. Thank you for watching this video.